The study of ethology. The study of ethology. In this video, we will explore the fascinating world of ethology, which is the scientific study of animal behavior. Ethology is a branch of biology that focuses on understanding the behavior of animals in their natural habitats. The study of ethology is important because it helps us understand how animals interact with each other and their environment. By studying animal behavior, we can gain insights into their social structures, communication patterns, and mating rituals. We can also learn about the adaptive behaviors that animals use to survive in their natural habitats. One of the pioneers of ethology was Comet Lawrence, who won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1973 for his work on animal behavior. Lawrence studied the behavior of geese and discovered that they have an innate ability to imprint on the first moving object they see after hatching. This behavior is important for the survival of the geese because it helps them recognize their mother and form a bond with her. Another important figure in the field of ethology was Nico Tinbergen, who won the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1973 along with Lawrence. Tinbergen studied the behavior of stickleback fish and discovered that they have a complex courtship ritual that involves visual cues and aggressive behavior. Today, ethologists continue to study animal behavior using a variety of methods, including observation, experimentation, and computer modeling. They use this knowledge to develop conservation strategies for endangered species, improve animal welfare in captivity, and understand the evolution of behavior. In the next segment of this video, we will explore the different types of behavior that ethologists study. The study of ethology. In this segment, we will explore the different types of animal behavior that ethologists study. Animal behavior can be classified into four main categories: innate behavior, learned behavior, social behavior, and communication behavior. Innate behavior is behavior that is genetically programmed and does not require any learning. For example, birds have an innate ability to build nests, and spiders have an innate ability to spin webs. These behaviors are essential for the survival of the species. Learned behavior, on the other hand, is behavior that is acquired through experience or observation. For example, a dog can learn to sit on command, and a bird can learn to mimic human speech. Learned behavior is important for animals to adapt to changing environments and to interact with other animals. Social behavior refers to the interactions between members of the same species. Animals have complex social structures that involve dominance hierarchies, mating rituals, and parental care. For example, chimpanzees have a complex social structure that involves alpha males, females, and offspring. Social behavior is important for animals to establish and maintain relationships with other members of their species. Communication behavior is the way animals convey information to each other. Animals use a variety of signals, such as vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals to communicate with each other. For example, bees use a dance to communicate the location of food to other bees, and wolves use howling to communicate with other members of their pack. Understanding the different types of animal behavior is important for ethologists to study because it helps them understand how animals interact with each other and their environment. In the next segment of this video, we will explore the different methods that ethologists use to study animal behavior. The study of ethology. In this segment, we will explore the different methods that ethologists use to study animal behavior. Ethologists use a variety of techniques to study animal behavior, including observation, experimentation, and computer modeling. Observation is one of the most common methods used by ethologists to study animal behavior. Ethologists observe animals in their natural habitats and record their behavior using video cameras, binoculars, and other tools. This method allows ethologists to study animals in their natural environment and to observe their behavior without disturbing them. Experimentation is another method used by ethologists to study animal behavior. Ethologists design experiments to test hypotheses about animal behavior. For example, an ethologist might design an experiment to test whether a certain behavior is innate or learned. This method allows ethologists to control the variables and to test their hypotheses in a controlled environment. Computer modeling is a relatively new method used by ethologists to study animal behavior. Ethologists use computer models to simulate animal behavior and to test hypotheses about how animals interact with each other and the environment. This method allows ethologists to study complex behaviors that are difficult to observe in the field. Ethologists also use a variety of tools to study animal behavior, including GPS tracking devices, radio collars, and bioacoustic sensors. These tools allow ethologists to track the movements of animals and to record their vocalizations and other sounds. Understanding the methods used by ethologists to study animal behavior is important because it helps us appreciate the complexity of animal behavior and the challenges that ethologists face in studying it. In the final segment of this video, we will explore some of the practical applications of ethology.